I am very excited to show you one of the largest integrated township in Bangalore. Hi guys, welcome back to Value Per Square Feet. Today I want to show you a project that really caught my attention. It's called Nambiar District 25, and if you are looking to buy a home or even to invest in Bangalore real estate, this is something you should consider. So what's the Nambiar District 25? It's just not a building with apartment, it's an integrated township. What you have experienced before in Bangalore, like Prestige Santiniketan, Brigade Gateway, where you have everything at one place. It's like city within the city. It's like everything under one umbrella. The commercial, residential, shopping complexes, 5-star hotel. You do not need to step out of the property. Everything within the walkaway. That means inside this one property, you will have home, office spaces, shops, restaurants, hotels, everything in one place, like mini city within a Bangalore. Something like a Brigade Gateway or Prestige Santiniketan. When it comes to the project location, it's located off Sarjapura Road, hardly 700 meters away from the main Sarjapura Road, and it's bang on 80 feet of a road, which going to be widened about 120 feet of a road in the coming future. Not only that, you're going to have a great connectivity of metro. By 2031, Red Line Metro of Sarjapura is going to be completed, and you'll have a distance from the metro station should be approximately 1 kilometer from District Nambiar 25 in the coming future. If you see the past history, our township projects has given you the best of capital appreciation, a good rental yield. Not only that, it has given you a good quality of a living for the end users. Nambiar District 25 is spread across 100 acre altogether, where 75 acre is dedicated for residential development, and almost 80% you have open space. 80% open space means more than 30 to 40 acre of land which is utilized for the walking areas, greenery, and lot more outdoor activities. Now let's talk about the floor plans. Our very thoughtfully designed floor plan, better usage of a space, better cross ventilation, and the distance between the towers are huge. Now let's talk about the home. Get more usable space inside. There are no common walls, so you get zero noise from your neighbor, and it gives you a better privacy at the same time. You get a L shape of balconies that connect your living room and bedroom. So there is a more light, more air, and it feels bigger and better. I strongly believe as a home buyer, you deserve the best of the apartment. And here developer has given lot of emphasis on a small things like corridor walls. Dashing of the wall is being done. What is dashing? It's a tiling of the walls being done. Very few projects you see something like that. Each tower has 4 lifts, so you do not have to wait. Now listen to this. The clubhouse here is massive. It's around 3 lakh square feet of a clubhouse built on 7.5 acre of a land. You won't believe it. This is kind of a developer projects itself, 7.5 acre. Here you have a clubhouse which going to be biggest clubhouse in Bangalore. You will get all the top class amenities, whether it's a sports amenities, whether gymnasium, swimming pool, multiple swimming pool going to come here, indoor games, and much more. Typically, builders offer you a car parking space of 8 by 16, and this space get bigger and better. It's a 9 by 19 square feet of a space you are getting with this project. This is the one of the land bank where you have no garbage dump, no drainage line, no high tension wire. So you are buying something which is neat and clean as a property. When it comes to the Nambiar group, it's not new to the luxury. They have done the projects like Bellezia, a villa project which is spread across 100 acre, and that comes on the top 5 villa community in the Bangalore. So as a buyer, you should not be worried about developer credibility. They have already developed top 5 villa communities in Bangalore. When you talk about the best of the villa communities in Bangalore, is one of the communities being developed and handed over by Nambiar Group. So be rest assured about the project, what Nambiar is offering to you in terms of a quality of construction, in terms of a time delivery. If you are an investor and you can hold your investment for 6 to 7 years, this project also make a sense to you, because township like this usually get a better resale value. Why? Because they offer better lifestyle, more community, and everything at your doorstep. You are a home buyer, you want to understand Experience Center, which educate you what all goes behind the scene when constructing your house, what all material being utilized. So Nambia Group has the best of the Experience Center and probably the biggest Experience Center in Bangalore as on today. And you will see the material, finishing, design. It helps you to understand what exactly you are getting. Not many builders do this. It's really worth visiting the project. You should consider visiting this project for sure. I would say no property is perfect when you're buying a house for yourself, for investment or self-use. It's important to understand as a home buyer your requirement, your objective of home buying. And if you are confused, please connect with us. We will consult you through home buying journey, the location, developer comparison, and give you a honest guidance. Will help you to make a right choice without any pressure. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We keep uploading real estate educating video that will help you in a home buying and real estate investment. See you in the next video.